Today we have the 2016 Audi A6. This vehicle has done just under 47,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access our radio, media, navigation, smartphone integration, and our vehicle driving modes. If we put it into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below we have our AC with heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather